Uba Anthony Karnayot, President Bhoi Weightlifting Association, Ulapan Bana Bakani ka Association kan penlong ya Iakop Meghalaya Invitation Tournament, ha ka khatway bat khat artrik uyayong, ha Indo Hall umlakadat Nongpoh. Kumta ka Bhoi Weightlifting Association ka Khot ka weri Samla kentay bat chendrang, na kiway pat ki district ka Jala banwan Shimanta ha kini ka Lympung Iakop. Meghalaya Weightlifting Association ru kasnok tilang ban penya yakini ke tournament ulaong. Kiway pat kinoyalam jeng Meghalaya Weightlifting Association kibakan thup yuba Donald Rambai President Meghalaya Weightlifting Association bat Vikram Ali kile don lang bat uba Anthony Karnayor hagni ke jing penbanai kini ke tournament. Kinoyalam kini ke association kile thu haga khatway trik uyayong kandon ka jing a jing hikai ye kinong hikai lani ki coach bat haga khat ar trik uyayong pat kandon ka jing yakun ban shimenta de ki rang bat ki thai ratnar na ki way ki district ka jala.
Yang jawab presiden juga Bhoi Weightlifting Association coba macam ni Khubor ai ke jing Khuborjylla sir Vikram lawan kena ni district kejungi balik ke Meghalaya Weightlifting Association ke balai ni kelat pulang ya ke Meghalaya Invitation Weightlifting Tournament agak bangilah Khot Sompa kam league open malah suri jid Khot Sompa lagi pratli ke district kemudian kembali sopo tam ke Nongpoh but tinggi lekai kan sedang coaching belum isar ada sarwi tarik dan coaching belum sini but tarik pada competition lagi kan thai pada cendang dan ada sport league kategori
Set media tu balaiwan hang ne de mentak sing ngidan hang ne apa sekadau sa DC office ban pen bana ba idon ye don ngi rakai jong kami kala weightlifting but ka company in sports talents sports sustainability talents but ayo sat background I ba one of the limne sat background itu ba page ye ka company provide apa media ban kumno ban Thank you, Weightlifting hapo. Khuborkhasi jongi hapo. Chalu support.
Association, President of Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, Mr. Donald Rambai, Mr. Shillong, Podium Committee Chairman from Meghalaya State Olympic Association, the General Secretary of Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, Mr. Botscam. It's a little difficult to pronounce the name, and the Secretary of President of Bhoi Weightlifting Association, Mr. Anthony. So we are privileged to be part of this weightlifting event that we are organizing. Just to let you know, as Sportality is already involved in the talent identification of young aspiring athletes and talent across Meghalaya. So